Other news this afternoon, the stage is set. Sean Diddy Combs will stand trial for sex trafficking charges on May 5th of next year. And prosecutors say he could face even more charges. Eyewitness News reporter Darla Miles live in Lower Manhattan, where the music mogul appeared before a judge this afternoon. Darla?
That's right, Sandra. We were in court this afternoon with Sean Diddy Combs. He was dressed as any other criminal defendant. He was wearing a tan inmate's garment, and he was happy to see his family, smiled at them and blew kisses at them. Today in court, we learned from prosecutors that they've seized 96 devices from searches of his home and of his person. And they say they're having technical problems getting into those devices. Some of them are so new and they can't crack the new technology, and because some of the devices are so old. Inside a federal court in Lower Manhattan, Sean Diddy Combs smiling and blowing kisses at his family. 6 of his 7 children attending today's conference hearing. He's greeted by the trial judge. "Good afternoon to you, Mr. Combs." He replies, "Good afternoon to you." Diddy speaking for the first time in court. Diddy's attorneys blasting Homeland Security, accusing them of leaking the 2016 surveillance video of Cassie Ventura being assaulted by Combs, saying it has led to damaging, highly prejudicial pretrial publicity that can only taint the jury pool and deprive Mr. Combs of his right to a fair trial. Now asking the judge for a gag order, an evidentiary hearing to find the source of the leaks, and ask that any evidence that has been leaked, like the Cassie Hotel video, be thrown out. But federal prosecutors argued this is simply a means to exclude a damning piece of evidence, pointing to negative comments made by Diddy's defense in press interviews.
The judge is going to issue it on a reciprocal basis.
Regarding evidence, prosecutors describing it as voluminous, much of which seized at searches in his homes in LA and Miami, including cell phones and location data, electronically stored information from Combs and third parties, like laptops, tablets, hard drives, and iCloud accounts, and business records, including financial, airline, and hotel documents. And attorneys for Diddy also filing a 31-page brief to a federal appeals court judge requesting the court order his immediate release, writing the sensationalism surrounding his arrest has distorted bail analysis. Diddy's attorney proposing the same bond conditions as they did in court last month, putting up his $48 million Miami estate as collateral, listing his private jet for sale to eliminate any risk of flight, and hiring the celebrity private security firm owned by former NYPD detective Herman Weisberg to secure Diddy inside of his home.
He had his family here today to support him. We really want to put an end to all of the clowning that we see on the internet. This is a serious proceeding with serious consequences, and all of us are addressing it accordingly.
Now, whether or not Diddy will be released on bail remains to be seen. Bail was not addressed at all today because they filed an appeal that will be heard in a separate courtroom in the Second Circuit of Appeals. That date has not yet been set. Reporting live in Lower Manhattan, Darla Miles, Channel 7 Eyewitness News.